5 Windows 11 settings you must change right now. Changing these 5 settings makes Windows 11 much better in under 5 minutes of your time. Move the Start button to the left corner. Right-click the taskbar. Click Taskbar Settings. Click Taskbar Behaviors. You'll see a field labeled Taskbar Alignment with a drop-down menu. Change the drop-docs menu from center to left. Turn off annoying notifications. Right-click the Start button. Click Settings. Click System. Click Notifications. Scroll down the page. Click Additional Settings. Uncheck the box next to Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. Turn off Microsoft Ads. Right-click the Start button. Click Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Click General. Turn off all these options. Change your default browser. Right-click the Start button. Click Settings. Click Apps. Click Default Apps. Find the name of your browser in the list and click on it. Set Default button next to Make Google Chrome your default browser. Declutter the taskbar. Right-click the Start button. Click Settings. Click Personalization. Click Taskbar. Deselecting any of the taskbar items you'll never use.